told you there would be a big change today, and that indeed came to fruition. Our warmest temperature at the airport today actually occurred just after midnight this morning. It was still around 73 degrees at the stroke of midnight, but we spent most of the daylight hours in the 60s today. It's been a long time since we've had an afternoon like this. Now, our official high goes in the record books as 73 today. That's the coolest daytime high we've had in 47 days, but an afternoon in the 60s, we haven't had that since the first day of June. So again, it's been a little bit of time here since we've had a day quite like today. And of course, we had some rain with those cooler temperatures. Highest amounts as expected in our northern viewing area over the last 24 hours. Some places have had pretty close to an inch or even a little bit more in northwestern Trumbull County. Amounts lower as you go off to the south. All of this rain is pretty much out of here at this point. There could be a stray sprinkle early this evening. That should be about it. In fact, the sky will clear rather quickly before the evening is through as these clouds thin out. Temperatures will fall nicely tonight and leave the windows open tonight as drier air pushes in. This will be a very comfortable night, our most comfortable night in over a week. As we drop down into the 50s, we're looking for about 54 as Friday gets underway. Mostly clear sky, leading to plenty of sunshine for our Friday. What a nice day coming up for tomorrow. A few fair weather clouds, that's about it. The dew points will continue to lower, so the humidity is just a non-factor for our Friday. And look at this temperature, mid-70s for tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we head into the weekend, yes, temperatures will start to warm each day as we get into the afternoons, but the nighttime hours very comfortable. We'll be down in the 50s, maybe even some 40s in a few of the cooler spots this weekend, but we're looking for mostly sunny skies both Saturday and into the day on Sunday with actually a pretty dry forecast through the first half of next week. Well, we're in the waning hours of July, so August 1st is less than 6 hours away. This is the August outlook from coast to coast across the U.S. A warmer than average outcome is favored with the exception of some parts of the Mississippi Valley where there's not a strong signal either way. But here locally in eastern Ohio, western Pennsylvania, another warmer than average month does seem likely. Now, precipitation's a little bit of a tougher call. We had a wet June, a drier July, August. Not a strong signal locally either way. It looks like a pretty wet month in parts of the southeastern U.S. and a pretty dry month of August out in the desert southwest, the Four Corners region. But around here, we could see rain going on either side of average. Again, there's really not a strong signal either way at this point. One thing for sure, the month of August will start on a fairly dry note. We don't have many rain chances at all in this 7-day forecast. That includes mostly sunny skies Monday and Tuesday. We do have a small chance of a shower in our Wednesday forecast, but that's kind of about it for the next 6 or 7 days. So if your yard's getting a little bit crispy and you haven't seen that much rain over the last 24 hours, you're not going to see much next week. So yards will continue to get a little bit